Want to ditch that laggy PS4 performance and experience your games in glorious, cloud-powered high definition on any device? I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your PlayStation account to GeForce Now, unlocking a world of possibilities. First, head over to the GeForce Now website on your computer or mobile device. You can find the link in the description below. Click on the Join Now button to create a new GeForce Now account or log into your existing account. Choose the membership plan that best suits your needs. A free plan is available, but paid plans offer priority access and better performance. Once you're logged in, browse the GeForce Now game library and look for the PlayStation games you own. Not all games are available, so make sure yours are supported. Find the PlayStation game you want to play and click on it. You will see a prompt or a button that says Connect Accounts or something similar. Click on that. This will open a PlayStation Network login window. Enter your PlayStation account email and password to link your account to GeForce Now. After successfully logging in, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, your PlayStation games that are available on GeForce Now will be ready to play. Enjoy seamless gaming on any device, powered by the cloud. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks.